there, it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 1 of 2022. Yes, 2022. I know, we're still in 2021. It just always falls that way that campaign 1 falls in December of the previous year. And I do have a few great free gift with purchase offers that I want to show you in this brochure. But before that, I just want to remind you, this is our last brochure before Christmas. So things to keep in mind if you're shopping for Christmas. Everything in the brochure is limited edition. Once it's gone, it's gone. The earlier you shop, the better the selection. If you are a last minute shopper, for regular standard delivery, depending on where at in the country you are, you're going to want to order. The last day to order is going to be between the 13th and the 16th of December. So you'll want to get your orders in for standard delivery then. You can do expedited delivery on things that can be shipped by air. So anything that's ground shipping only, like perfume, you can't do the expedited delivery on. But you can do second day air as late as December 20th and next day air as late as December 21st. So just keep those dates in mind. But really, the earlier you shop, the better your product selection is going to be. The other announcement that I have is around our brand new website. So we are getting a brand new and improved website being built brand new from the ground up. So because they have to switch everything over, it's not just an update to the website. They have to switch it all over to new servers and all that behind the scenes stuff. It's going to take them a couple days. So our website is going to be down in December, beginning the early morning of December 7th. Tuesday, December 7th, the website's going to go down. It's going to come up later that week, so around the 9th or the 10th. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are on my email list, which you can go to thoughtsonbeauty.com and you can sign up for the email list right in the sidebar there, or you can click on Contact Me on thoughtsonbeauty.com and fill that out to get on my email list there. And you'll get an email as soon as the website is back up, and that email will tell you about a special offer valid just for the first few days that the new website is up and running, and it's going to be a great deal. If you aren't on my email list, you can also make sure that you're following me on social media. So you can find me under Chris Arnold Avon on Facebook, on Instagram, or you can just go on Facebook and search Thoughts on Beauty and join my Thoughts on Beauty group. That's really, honestly, that's the best place to be because they get everything kind of before the other channels do. They get all the inside information and behind the scenes stuff there. So definitely make sure that you are either on my email list or following me on social media so you'll get that notification as soon as the new website comes up so that you can take advantage of that special shopping deal if you're shopping on the website. Some things to look forward with the new website is we're getting a reinvented digital catalog. So we're getting a new digital catalog on the online store that is going to be easier to shop. It's going to be easier to navigate. You're going to be able to easily see the products that are being featured in the videos or the photos and add those to cart right from the digital catalog. We are now going to have, and this is the thing I'm the most excited about, a full face virtual try-on tool. So right now our virtual try-on tool, you can go in and you can say, okay, I want to try on the different shades of this particular lipstick. And you can do just that lipstick. Now, or you can go in and say, okay, I need to find the perfect foundation shade, and you can use the shade selector in the virtual try-on tool that it'll look at your picture and look at your face on screen and help you pick a shade. Now you can do a full face. So you can go in and you can build your makeup just as if you were putting it on. You can start by choosing your foundation. You can add your eyeliner, eyeshadow, lipstick, blush, all of that, and see the whole look all together. And you'll be able to add those products to your cart right from the virtual try-on tool. So it's going to be a wonderful thing, fun to play with, but just such a great, easy way to shop online for makeup, because we all know shopping online for makeup is not ideal. So this is a great way to be able to try the colors on, see how they look, build that full face, see how the lipstick looks with the eyeshadow, looks with the blush, and all of that, and very easily add it all to your cart right from the virtual try-on tool. So there's not that extra step of going to look for the products to actually order them. You're also going to be able to, I'll be able to put little videos up on the site, and you'll be able to click on the products that I feature in those videos and in any of the photos that I take. I can put up on the site, and you can shop those items right there, and they're just all on the main page of the website, so easy to find. And it's got increased security. That's another thing they're building into the system. So it's going to have better security for you when you are putting in personal information there when you're shopping online, because we know that's a concern for everybody. So we're doing even more security than we've already had. So I think that's everything I had for you about the site. And so to finish up, I have just a few things from this book. So this one's going to be a nice, short and sweet one. So we have our full-size Anew Hydra Fusion Depuffing Eye Serum. This is a fantastic, everybody I know with puffy eyes, with bags under the eyes, the puffy eyes, they swear by this stuff. It is amazing. Has a great little, the applicator at the tip of the tube is made with porcelain, so it has a nice cooling effect, so it's very soothing when you put it on. So you're going to get a free full-size Hydra Fusion Depuffing Eye Serum with any Glimmer Eye purchase. So it's pages 98 to 101. But if you're shopping the online store, if you go to sales and specials, you'll see it listed in the special there. You just click on that, and it'll take you to a page that says, if you buy this, you get this. So it clearly shows which products qualify for the free gift, and that applies to all of our free gift offers. Then we have, our next one is, if you buy any of our Glimmer Lip products, so our Glimmer Lip Plumper, the Glimmer Lip Glaze lip gloss, the Glimmer Kiss lipstick, or the just Glimmer lipstick are great, tons of shades to choose from, so you can really express yourself with those ones. If you buy any of those lip products, you get a one of the gel nail stickers that we have for the holiday. So the holiday designs of the gel nail stickers, which are great because you can do your nails, but there's no dry time. You just put it on and your nails look great. And they've got the fun little kind of nail art patterns. And then we have our other offer is a free full-size FMG Glimmer Lip Plumper. So you get the Lip Plumper free with any Cashmere Lip purchase. So you can go with the Cashmere lip cream and either the matte, which is what I'm wearing today, in the soft mauve, or the satin, or you can get the Cashmere Essence lip cream and get the free plumper. And the Cashmere Essence lip cream, that center part there is actually a bioretinol that helps to smooth and improve the look of the lips while you're wearing the lipstick. It has the benefits, kind of the anti-aging benefits going forward. And then I have one last little thing here marked. And this one's not a free gift with purchase, but I did just want to show that this has come back. And this is a fantastic little set. It's called our Make Life Beautiful Convenience Kit. And it comes in a handy dandy little pouch, little bag there, zipper bag. And it has a roll-on deodorant, your whitening toothpaste, and a toothbrush to go with it. Your Physio Gel face lotion, which is great. Anybody can use this. And I tell you what, when I'm traveling, I notice that this is great for travel, by the way. When I'm traveling, I notice that my skin gets more easily irritated. My skin does not like the change of environment, the change of the change of weather or that sort of thing. And the Physio Gel face lotion, it's great for all skin types. It's great for sensitive skin, and it's great for soothing your skin when your skin is already irritated by something else. So great item to have for travel, even if you don't use it normally. And then we have our Propylethera shampoo and conditioner. This is the damage repair? Yeah, it's the damage repair shampoo and conditioner. Again, your hair can get a little bit, a little bit irritated from travel. I know I tend to pull my hair up more when I travel, so there might be a little bit more damage to heal up. And the travel size of my personal favorite, I use this all the time, the Veilment Black Rose Body Scrub and Cleanser. So you've got all of your essential needs for on the go. So if you're taking a trip, it's great to just throw in your bag and have for travel. It's great for, for the gym. It's great for, if you work somewhere where you have access to a locker room and you can kind of clean up and change out of your work clothes into your regular clothes before you leave. It's great for that to have. So just wanted to share that was back, and you get all of that for only $25.99. So it's a great little little travel kit for on the go. So that's what I have for you for campaign 1 of 2022. And I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful week. And I will talk to you again soon.